Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. We are back, hopefully. So I'm learning C++ for this week. So I have 6 weeks planned. So I will be learning C++, and for today I have topics regarding array, linked list, and a stack. So let me move to that folder. चांद पे और दिन सी टर्बो सी नहीं 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 हेलो हेलो एवरीवन टर्बो सी में मैंने बस एक ही बार किया था हेलो सनशाइन नहीं आज इलेक्शन था ना तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम था तो उसी बहाने सोचा कि मैं कोडिंग कर लूँ थोड़ा किसको वोट दिया नहीं बता सकते हेलो बडी वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम after summer. Yep, I was like a bit procrastinating, so today I got time, so I thought of why not stream. Thank you, Sunshine. So I'm learning C++, and in that also I'm like focusing on DSA part. So for week 1, that will be from today to 25th. I also learned 5M scripting in this weekend. Great run भाई. स्ट्रीमिंग करो फिर सिखाओ हमें भी, हम भी करते साथ में करेंगे. So let's start. This will be my primary terminal, and when you start C++. So I have already done C++ back in like while I was learning Python, so maybe around two years back. So again, like I was into Java for the DSA part, but Java is a bit slow. So I am like I am also restarting the DSA and CP stuff. So thought of doing with C++. Java I know. So and it's a bit slow. Sometimes online context doesn't accept like that Java code, but the same code written in C++ they accept. So I thought of starting that. Like I was learning Go in between. I don't know why. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. So linked list. So we have a node has a value and a node that points to itself. So let me write in my notebook. So we'll have a node that will have a data and a pointer that will point to a data structure of itself, of type itself. It will have a head, the starting block. Okay, so let me create one. Node head will be initially it will be null pointer. Node will also be a null pointer. Null pointer, and now head will be new node. This head will have. Okay, so in Java what we do is we usually create a class and there we access using dot operator, and here we are using a C-like syntax of arrow, and head dot node will be the second one, because after head we want to move to second. Yep, so this will be the head part, and okay, so let me initialize everything, sorry, assign everything. For this second will be also a new node, new for third. There will be two. Second node will be third. Third data will be 3. Third node will be pointer. So we have a cycle here. That is pointing to second, second is pointing third, and third is pointing to null pointer. Okay, so and here we also need to consider removing the memory. So okay, so let's see first. Oh, sorry. Let me fix error or not. List finish. List. Oh, so many errors. Into fund. Okay, expected. There I have missed that. The conversion from the stated null PTR to non-scalable type node requested. And this should be a struct. We are not in Java. Now it should work. No data, and that points to null. This will be a pointer type, right? Right, correct. So thing that here. Pardon me for any mistake. I'm new in this language. Okay. Yep. That did work. So we are creating a node pointer head. Okay. So let me contact. Actually, I always tend to forget about pointers. I have written notes somewhere. So let me write a function. I don't know where I have written that. In list, it will take a head pointer, and in the top word print list, it will take a node of type head, and while head not equal to null pt. Okay, so by default it does not point to null. Okay, the out is head data and head will move to next. Node actually next, and will do print next line. Oh, okay. So there are a lot of issues. Check. No, okay, so we have head not equals to null pointer. Oh, reduce template. Why? So this last point to null pointer, right? While print list head it expands. This is a note, and while head not equals to null pointer, the out head data space and head is equals to head next. sorry, node, and then at the end we're printing a next line. Okay, so if I remove this guy, save this. Oh, 1 to 3. Okay, so that is causing an issue. Why? But if I add cout and let's see. But how did that work then? Okay, so not an issue. So we created a struct, that is a structure. Let me write a comment. So we have this stack method in C++, or there's some other method that we can implement. So can we implement stack using list or a linked list? Let's see. Okay, so type of stack, we will create a in stack of type integer, pushing values. I need to learn Vim key binding also, but it's a feature stuff. Let's see. I will get used to that. I don't know, I'm sleepy. Oh, okay. String stack. Okay. Namespace std. So 0 means stack is not empty. So if I pop 3 items, s dot pop, s dot pop, bob. Now let's see. Yep. So stack is empty. That means one means true. That's nice. Let me show you guys my plan for next 4 weeks. So I have written all the things here for the next 7 weeks. Let's see how much I am able to achieve. So today, like for this week, I have plan of doing array, linked list, stack, bubble, selection, insertion, merge, quick sort. These things I will do probably tomorrow. And like today's 20th and on 21st, and from 22nd to 25th I will solve questions or read some articles regarding this all stuffs. So wish me luck. Let's see. I have one article to read. This one, algorithm or from algorithm archive. This guy is in many languages. Should I start with this? These are some different stuffs. Stack and queues are two sides of the same coin. They are both simple data structures and hold multiple elements but allow you to use a single element at a time. The biggest difference between the two structure is the order in which you can access the element in the data structure. In the stack, data flow last in first out. Yep. Which means that whatever element you put in into the last, which will with the first element you take out, it acts exactly like a stack in a real life. If you put a book on top of the other stack of other book, the first book you will look at when shifting through the stack will be the book you just put on the stack. In queue, data flows in first out, which means that whatever Oh, here we have multiple stuffs. Oh, here we have our own namespace. In stack, so in my we have a stack, and in stack implement using linked list. So we have implementing using linked list. It's nice. Okay, so in queue data flows first in first out, which means that whatever element you put in the first will be the first element you take out. Imagine a queue of people, it will be and familiar with the first position in the line for the grocery, but not the first person to retrieve attention once the attendant finally shows up. For the most part, so queues and stacks are treated in the same way. They must be a way to look at the first element top to remove the first element pop, right? The notation for this depend on the language you are using. Queues, for example, we often use dequeue instead of pop and front instead of top. You will see the language specific detail in the source code, the book. So for now, it's simple important to know what stack and queues are and how to access them. Nice. Oh, I have some idea of this flood fail. First, right? Okay, so let me focus on this one. So including memory, cassette, C assert, or cassette, stream namespace, my implement using linked list, value next is value next. Top node is intermediate node, leftmost node represent top element on the stack, right? Leftmost or rightmost? Let's see. Template T, type name T, struct node. Next we'll store right node address, right? Yep. Std unique ptr node type template top pointer. Let's see. Stack count 0. What is this? I'm reading the Google Go to and saw this constraint. That guy saw that. Okay, what is no constant like 0 I try to do a Google search, but the suffix ll means the constant is of type long and ul means unsigned long. So this is unsigned long in general. Each L or L represent a long or each or U represent unsigned. So example, constant type, a constant one with type unsigned long. This also applies to the floating pointer string. Okay. In C and C++, the integer constant I evaluated using the original type, which can cause bugs due to integer overflow. In Google Go, all integer evaluated as a big integer. 64 done. Okay, no worries. The suffix are not recognized. So this is 0 unsigned long. Okay. Count. Hello everyone. Void push, void pop. Okay, so let me try implement a stack using linked list. So in stack we have push. Hello, welcome to the stream. Pop. Pop. Push and pop, right? What are you coding? I'm learning C++, and in that specific I'm learning DSA. So today my topic is array, linked list and stack. Thank you, buddy. So let me start with this talk. I'm gonna code along with you. I have my finals going on, so for which I'm learning PHP right now. All the best, buddy. If you need any help, you can ping me. I have some knowledge of PHP. I also did for my final years. You can wait down and then we'll point to next. And let me see. Public stack void push, so it's a public function. Auto new. Are you using NVIM? Nobody. I'm using normal Vim. So I'm just exploring this thing. So I have a simple base config for this one. Let me show you. I just copied from Google. Do you use Harpoon plugin? No, it's a raw basic Vim script. I don't have any idea of this all packages. What was that? Vim RC. So you can check here. I use this. I have idea of this nerd tree only for this file explorer thing. Others I don't have any idea. So I just copied from Google and I'm exploring this. Sorry, wait. Yeah, keeping the record of count also how many elements. Yeah, that will be used for size. Right. So this will be for the so if I have if I will have a function push, let's see. Uh, mm, will return, let's say it will return 0 for now, or nothing, nothing as it's a void function, because it will take a number of type integer, right? Okay, so here we need to keep track of head node. If that is lost, we don't have any, we will not have any pointer to keep track of all the nodes. How we can do that? Hello guys, undefined. Internal pointer variable. Good doing guys. How are you doing? Okay, HRU, how are you doing? I'm good buddy, how are you? Bharat. Yep. I'm a full stack developer, but I'm not doing like GSA and CP stuff for many months, so I kind of forgot everything. So I thought of starting again, but in CPP. So first I'm learning CPP, C++. You are hacker? No, no. Full stack, money stack, bro. stack. We have a private variable of node top, right, and public classes. So why are you using Ubuntu? Uh, in my first sem, I used to learn ethical hacking. So from that time, like I tend to usually use Ubuntu terminal. So I'm more into terminal guy. So whenever I get time, I use terminal. So we have a top pointer. So we need to implement push and pop. We have a top. I will end this stream in 5 minutes. I have to have my dinner, and I'm quite a bit tired. So let's see. So first I will have instructor, or we can write this by we can point this to ptr and pointer. So at the time of push, so it won't return anything. It will take a void number if the type is void, and what it will do is it will create a new node, right? It will assign the value node, node is equals to num. Then what it will do is it will make this guys like new node. Next pointer will be top, and top will be our new node. So we have the value which is inserted will be at the top level. So new node, next will be top, and top will be new node. First will be our new node, then top. Then after that we will have top. We can also maintain a count to keep the track of size. I don't know we have this keyword in C++ or not. So for the top, checking if top is null, if top equals null ptr pointer in of new stack, no elements in stack, and it will return, or else what we have. So we have one a b c and I want to move to. Okay, so what I will do is I will store top. Top will be top next. The current one is deleted and will delete the current one. Right. And count minus minus. Now int size will be return count, and int is empty. We return count 0. Hello, welcome to the stream. Let's see. Okay, so we need to get the top element also. if top equals to null, pp sorry, print elements in stack. Don't use Ubuntu. Okay. And return data. Why should not I use Ubuntu? Let's see. Of course. Indian tech support. Did not get you, buddy. Okay, so maybe we should use this constraint with no value. Okay, so this will be 0. Compare with the previous declaration. If top is 0, Okay, so let me return if top is null ptr then 0 or else top data. Let's see. Stack top compared with the previous declaration, previous declaration or stack top. Oh, okay, got it. This was the issue. Yep. Okay. So now we have the different definition. 56 expected after class definition. Yep. Now let's see. Tag list 20. That's fine. If I remove that, pop, and now if I do this one, two zero one zero. Okay, so 20 is for that and 10 is for this one. Purpose if I and yep, that is working. So for size and 1010. Okay, 10 is for stack top, size is 1 and is empty is 0. Nice. And where we have missed. And back. So this is working perfectly fine. What I did was created a struct type, so this will hold a single node. Class, okay, so class struct stack private variables node top to maintain a top variable and a count of all the nodes. Stack, this is the constructor with the name, same name as this class name, and initially declaring the top as a null pointer. Ish. No. Yep, okay. This is fine. This is for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you everyone for joining. Means a lot. Bye bye.